Look. Well, mommy show you. Look. Just go like that. Don't hit the kitty with the stick. You're beating the kitty. Come here. Watch mommy. Come here, Connor. Look, you don't hit the kitty with it. See? You're awfully hyper. Do you want to try it again? Do you want to try it again? Don't hit the kitty. Okay, this is pointless. Be gentle. Gentle! Touch soft. Touch soft. Are you watching Lawrence Welk on TV? That's better. Kinda. Say here, kitty. Say, come back, kitty. I think you're scaring him. You're scaring him. Your screaming isn't helping either. He's just a little kitten. He's a baby. You're scaring him. Kobe, get out of here. I think you scared him.